Hey cat daddies and mama, let's make a dollar Santa bandana for our cat today. All you're gonna need is a dollar hat from the Dollar Tree, these fastener dots, and a pair of scissors. Let's go home and put this thing together. So I start with a glue gun. Most people have glue guns, but if you don't have one, you can sew this together. I'm just trying to make it fast and convenient for everyone. So I'm gonna start by splitting this hat in half. And once you have that done, you're going to take measurements of your cat's neck or collar, or your dog if you're making this, or your reindeer, or whatever you choose this to make this for, even a human. So basically, we're going to measure our animals, our pets' necks, and then cut to length. Make sure you keep it on the looser side. You don't want this to be choking them. A little disclaimer out there. I'm going to take the remaining of the hat and cut a little white strip to keep the Santa theme. And then obviously I'm just going to glue it together and sandwich together like so. Now again, if you're afraid your animal might have allergic reaction to glue, you can always hand sew this as well. There's so much different ways to do this. Make sure you guys take this video and get really creative. I'm just finishing it off with this white strip, and then I'm going to take those fastener dots that I got from the Dollar Tree and glue them to the end so I have a way to attach this to Rocket. And thank you guys for watching, and this is how it turned out. Happy holidays. Bye.